Welcome to CocoMini Kids.
Come, my friends, let's sing today about yummy fruits that come our way. They're juicy, sweet, and good to eat. Fruits are nature's healthy treat. Apple is red and very sweet. Apple is red and very sweet. Apple is red and very sweet. Banana. Banana is yellow and soft to eat. Banana is yellow and soft to eat. Mango. Mango is juicy, the king of fruits. Mango is juicy, the king of fruit. Orange. Orange is round and full of juice. Orange is round and full of juice. Grapes. Grapes. Grapes are tiny and come in a bunch. Grapes are tiny and come in a bunch. Pineapple. Pineapple is spiky but tastes so fine. Pineapple is spiky but tastes so fine. Watermelon. Watermelon is big and cool inside. Watermelon is big and cool inside. Papaya. Papaya is soft and good to chew. Papaya is soft and good to chew. Guava. Guava is green and full of seeds. Guava is green and full of seeds. Strawberry. Strawberry is red with tiny dots. Strawberry is red with tiny dots. Love. Fruits are tasty, fruits are fun. We should eat them one by one. They help us grow, they make us strong. Let's eat fruits all day long.
कोकोमिनी की नई मजेदार वीडियोस के लिए सब्सक्राइब कर लो।